Alright guys, next video we'll be bolting on the all-wheel drive transmission onto the motor. Right now I'm kind of in a pickle on how in the world I'm going to do this. I'm going to have to lift the transmission over there, which isn't very light for someone my size, but that's okay. The other thing I have to do is move the fork and the boot onto this transmission, and then add on the throwout bearing, which, now that I think about it, I gotta remember how that came off. But I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that. Alright, there goes that. Hopefully that sound is normal. I just gotta figure out how to get it around to the motor. So I'm gonna go freaking try to lift this around and hopefully don't blow my sack out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get moving. Alright, I was able to get the motor on this side without having a hernia, but I am looking at this now. There's a dowel pin here, dowel pin there, dowel pin on this side, and the dowel pin right here. I am going to remove the dowel pins on the transmission just because they stick out longer, and I should have an easier time pulling those ones out versus the ones on the block where they're a little bit more sunken in. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out real quick and then jack up the motor and button it up, get it on. Made them together. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. One dowel pin came out super easy. The other one looks like a hack job. That was a pain, but I got it out. And now it's time to get this on. So just to give you guys a heads up, I originally put this bolt at the bottom. I noticed it was too long. It goes up in this one, so now it is all good. Alright guys, I think I'm done with this motor for today. The all-wheel drive transmission is on now. And let's see. I think I'm going to see how the header fits on one later on. Next time I'm out here, see if the header will clear the transfer case, but I honestly don't believe so. But that's that. Next is going to be, I don't know, putting on the starter, swapping the alternator, switching the crankshaft sensor, and there's something else that had to come from that motor. This sensor, I have to switch, knock sensor maybe? I don't know. You guys tell me. And shoot, I can't think of what else. There was a couple more things. There goes the other motor. Supposedly some Kelford cams, if you guys can confirm that. Let me know. And that'll be it, guys. So there it is. Oh, motor mounts have to come over onto this motor. I don't know. That's really it. Then it's ready to get dropped in. So just those few things, and then it's ready to go inside the Integra, which is full of boxes from the competition, or I mean from the Clutch Masters Clutch and Fly. But yeah, guys, I gotta finish cleaning up. Like, subscribe, share the video. The Integra is gonna be coming in hot very soon. If that header doesn't work, might have to lean towards going turbo, but I don't know. We'll see, guys.